What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Do we have a treat for you on this video? Yes, you know about my really amazing golf cart that lights up, sponsored by Nokins and Vatrer Battery. And we got another golf cart. Yes, I know you guys are probably like, oh my God, Andy, make race videos, make build videos. We're gonna do that as well through Gentek Performance. First link in the description below, so don't forget that. Check out the videos coming soon. We've got amazing cars coming that we're gonna be doing builds on, a 2023 ZL1, and some other really awesome builds. So we're kind of jumping around. We're doing golf cart builds and we're doing car builds, but you can't complain. The golf cart builds are actually pretty freaking awesome. And I just recently acquired a new gem of a golf cart, and I'm gonna introduce you to the guy that sold it to me.
Hey guys, Matt, Golf Cart Garage here. I hooked this guy up with one hell of a deal. He's gonna love this thing. It's like the best gem you could see in the world today. So I do crazy shit too with all different kinds of carts. But I'll tell you, this is the man right here.
Oh, I can't believe I did this.
We talked about it.
I can't believe I did this.
I got a gem. I gotta bring it over. It's yours?
I think I overpaid for it, to be honest.
No, you got a hell of a deal.
No,
you got a good deal.
No, I don't know about that.
Wait until you see this thing. This is like brand new material.
This is
like, you can't get this thing anywhere else.
If you guys want to watch his videos, he makes a lot of golf cart videos, kind of like a chop shop kind of golf cart scenario with this gentleman here, good old Matt. We're going to put his link in the description below. Go subscribe to his channel, get him a lot of views and get him a lot of subscribers. He's a new guy. He's trying to
start fresh somewhere.
Exactly. He's trying to get YouTube going for him. And since I'm a little bit bigger than him, obviously, with
whoa. Hey, up here.
Jesus fucking Christ, dude. What the fuck? Anyways, regardless, go check him. You fucked me all up, man.
Good.
Go check his link in the description below. Subscribe to his channel. Share it. Follow it. Whatever you guys got to do. He makes some pretty... He actually has a really cool golf cart with a coffin on the back, which is pretty freaking neat. I'm not going to tell you anything about it. I'm going to let him tell you anything about it.
Check my channel.
Check the channel out and go check it out.
Hit that subscribe button while I check it.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button. But we're going to introduce you... I found a name for it already.
All right, what's the name? I couldn't think of one for it. I tried to name all my cards.
We were talking earlier. Me and other people were talking earlier. We're going to call it the... I forget already. It's like Eskimo Lowrider or something.
No. It's the gem.
The gem. Maybe we'll call it the gem.
I mean, Andy.
You know what?
This is like top-notch quality right here.
In the comments below, when you see this cart, let me know what you think I should call it. And as I talk about what we're going to do with this cart. And on top of that, we're going to be installing a Temgo lithium 36 volt. I've never done a 36 volt battery before, but we're going to be installing a 36 volt battery in this cart tonight for you guys. So stay with the video, check that out. It's going to be pretty freaking awesome. I'm kind of happy about this.
But Andy, you don't need that. You don't need that battery. The gem's got a nice battery in it.
It does.
I mean,
it does.
Wait till you see this thing. I mean, you're going to be impressed. You ready to bring her in?
I'm ready to bring her in. Let's bring her in, guys.
Come on,
here we go.
Lift the door.
I'm ready, man. Let's see her. Let's see it.
Bring her on in. Bring this golden beast in. Oh, come on.
Somebody's got to steer this thing, man. Oh my freaking God.
Look at this. Look at this gem.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Leather interior. I mean, look at this thing.
What did I do?
She goes that fast, she blows the tires out.
What did I do?
I mean, come on.
What did I do? So what we have here, guys, is number 38. We have number 38.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I mean, look.
This thing's a piece of shit.
No, it's a little cleaning, man. She'll straighten it up.
Oh my God. We have a flat. There's a flat, dude.
I told you. She went that fast coming here. This thing's a rocket.
Oh my God. This is
like, you can't get any better than this.
I need my money back.
Any better than this.
I need my money back.
Refund.
Can I get a refund, please?
I'm sorry, no refund.
Can I get a refund?
But I mean, come on, look at it. It's got style.
Unbelievable.
It's a classic.
Unbelievable.
She
Oh,
screams.
it has a golfer on the front. I might keep that actually. That's actually pretty cool. I might get a new sticker made and keep that. All right, guys, there she is. Obviously the E-Z-GO. It is a 1999 series E-Z-GO TXT. We're gonna take a real quick spin around her with Sky on her. We have one good tire. We have one bad seat. We have
Good. That's solid.
We have-
That's
right
solid.
here.
That's solid.
See right here.
we have one good tire. We have no back seat. Back seat coming.
Look at this, Andy.
That's for our propane tanks.
Dude,
We're gonna make it a
look,
propane.
Skylar, sit back here. Look at this. That's perfect.
We have one half flat tire, and then obviously, if you guys see over there, we have one very flat tire.
Off the beat and everything.
She's got air in her.
Thankfully, I have my old club car tires. We're gonna put them on here. We're gonna put them on here, guys, with some black. Oh, with some black rims. Ooh, look at that shit.
Classic.
But listen,
No more
guys,
gold. No more gold, though.
no more gold. But listen, thank you very much, sir.
You got it, buddy.
Follow this guy, seriously. Link in the description below. Check him the freak out. He's probably gonna be changing his name though.
We're working on
We're
that.
gonna work
yeah.
on it. I'm trying to help him out, be a little bit more famous. You know what I mean? A little bit more unique in his ways.
So I don't have to deliver this kind of stuff.
It's okay.
He's gonna grow bigger.
But we're gonna talk about this in a minute, and we're gonna show you what's going on, guys. All right, guys, we are super fucking excited for number 38. Woo-hoo-hoo. So, first things first, I have to give a huge shout out to Nokins. Nokins Golf Cart Factory. Link in the description below, guys. Oh my God. They sent me parts for my last golf cart, and I have to say, amazing company. They make quality freaking parts. And we're gonna be doing future videos on parts for this cart. Trust me, they're coming. You don't wanna miss it. It's gonna be amazing. We have a really good plan for this cart, don't we, Sky?
You have a really good plan for this girlfriend. You guys are gonna love it.
You're gonna love it. Let's just say it's not getting lifted. It's getting something else. And maybe a little, I don't know. It's gonna be interesting, guys. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get this thing running because it is not running right now. It is dead because, Sky,
Big old battery in there.
it has no fucking batteries in it. None whatsoever. So that's where Temgo comes in. Temgo batteries. They sent me a 36-volt lithium setup. We're gonna install that really quick in this video, get it working, put the wheels and tires that are in that box on that shelf from my club car on this cart, and we're gonna hopefully be driving this thing around tonight. And we'll make a video about that later. But obviously, we're just gonna get it running, basically, is what we're gonna do. Right, Sky? Yeah. So let's get started. Take the damn seat off.
You.
Boy, I'll kick you out.
You ain't gonna do nothing. How would you feel about just like,
Oh, I don't care, because Nokins has sent me nice new seats right here, which we'll be installing in a later video. So get fucked, stay fucked.
oh.
Let me introduce Temgo's battery setup. First things first. So we have they actually send you straps, which I've done a lot of battery reviews, and this is the first ones that have sent me straps for their batteries, which is pretty freaking cool. Nuts and bolts. We actually have, this is actually really cool, and people that don't know golf carts will probably not understand this, but if you're going to a 36-volt battery and you have like headlights and taillights and all kinds of different lights, you have to downsize that 36 or 48 volt to 12 volt. So they make what's called Sky, open this up.
All right. Wait, this
Like
one?
take that out.
All right, I got
Take
it.
it out of there.
It's a bag inside of a bag.
Okay, take the bag out. So they make what's called a
Adapter.
DC to DC power converter. So it'll transfer 36 volts to 12 volts basically, which is actually nice. So you can run your headlights and tail lights and LED underglow and all that fun stuff without burning it up on 36 volts. It's just run
Wait, I
on
got it.
12 volts, which is pretty freaking awesome. We won't be needing that right now because we don't have headlights, but they're coming. We also have a very nice display here, which we will plug into the cart. Actually, you know what? Here, Sky, hold this.
Holding.
We're gonna plug it into the cart right now. We're gonna see what this is at.
I'm ready to see.
It's probably at like 2%.
I'm gonna laugh. No, they probably charged it for us. Think about it. They care.
I fucking hope so, dude. What are we at? Come here, bring it in here.
Let's see what we're at.
We're at 53%, guys.
They charged it for us.
So this is just like my Vatrer setup. You have all your states, and it's all touchscreen, so which is really, really nice. You have your battery voltage for each one of your cells. Now, obviously, it's 36, so these cells ain't filled, but that's your main table. So 53%, she's pretty much charged. So that's actually pretty nice, guys. And you can just turn, yeah, there you go. Yeah, okay, cool. That works out just fine. I was kind of wondering what the charge was on the battery.
Hey, they charged it for us. They care.
They charge us for it. They were like, hey, what charges for us? And then we have a nice charger as, oh my God. Oh my God. Here's the nice charger.
That's huge.
Has a fan. You can actually bolt this into your golf cart. Kind of wherever, maybe right there or something. Whatever, you can bolt that in. Has a 110 outlet plug, which is pretty cool. And the nice thing about this setup, I will say, is it has a quick disconnect. So you can actually disconnect it right here. Let me unbolt this right here, or unthingy this right here for you.
Child lock stopping you.
So you can attach this to the battery itself, yada yada, leave this in the cart, and then independently charge it when you want to charge it. Not gonna lie, pretty excited. You guys are probably like, stop fucking talking, you're talking too much, get the battery in the cart and let's make this happen. Let's do it, guys. All right, guys, so we got the battery in, it's all strapped down, looking freaking sweet. You ready? You wanna open it up and show them? There you go, guys. The Temgo lithium 36 volt battery is in the golf cart. It doesn't sit completely straight in the golf cart frame because of the way E-Z-Gos are, but they include these two very, very nice straps, and this battery is not going anywhere at all. Now, there's a few things I need to tell you about a series cart, and yes, this is a series E-Z-Go. You got the 3-bolt steering, and also the forward reverse is on here. That makes it a series, not a PDS. So on the PDS, there's a wire that goes from the controller to the charger that if that's not connected up to power, the cart won't run. Same thing for a series cart. I'm gonna get my flashlight out here, a little dark in the golf cart shop right now. So if you can see that black wire right here, here, hold this. Hold that. Okay, this black wire right here, follow that around, that goes directly to battery power. This is your forward and reverse power switch, basically. So that needs to be hooked up to power or this cart will not run. So make sure if you're doing a series E-Z-Go TXT, make sure that wire is hooked up to positive or it won't move and you'll be like freaking out. All right, Sky, you ready? Let's show them what we got. Put that sucker in. That switch is so hard to turn. Hold on a minute. Back up a little bit here. Number 38, give her hell. Key on. And there she goes. There she goes. She moves under. She didn't even have batteries when we got this thing, and we're already way ahead of the game. We also put the new wheels and tires and hubcaps on, as you guys can see, as opposed to the old pieces of flat tire and all. So they're on, and the cart is movable. So there you go. We have so many new mods to put on this thing. Next video, cushion, steering wheel, back cushion that's sitting over there. That's gonna go on. I think that's it. Oh, and seat covers. We'll probably put the seat covers on real quick too, as well. So that'll be in the next video. And huge freaking thanks to Temgo. Is it Temgo? Oh. Huge thanks to Temgo. Here's the nice thing. All these batteries, all these lithium battery guys, all these lithium batteries, Temgo, they all have apps, as you can see. So we can attach this app right here. Let's see what my dashboard looks like. We're at, okay, hold on. Success. 50% gives me all my information here. My other battery does this too. It gives me temperatures of the battery cells and all that stuff. I got each individual cell's voltage, which is actually really, really cool. And then I have all the languages, the temperatures. Actually, we're going to change that to Fahrenheit. There we go. Confirm. Now it's in Fahrenheit. We'll go back to the dash. And I should see everything in Fahrenheit. Yep, there we go. Everything's in Fahrenheit now. And we're good to go there. So you also have an app. They do have a gauge that I'm going to mount later on. But honestly, if you don't want to mess up your dash and make it look goofy with a gauge or not want a gauge, you don't have to put the gauge on. You can literally just use the app to tell what your battery life is. The charger, we might end up putting the charger in here, but probably not. I don't like my charger sitting out in the weather. Even though the charger is all waterproof and weather resistant, you're not gonna have to worry about anything of that nature. Me personally, I just keep the chargers in a storage thing, and I take them out when I need them, and I use them when I need them, because with the lithium battery, guys, you don't really have to charge these things up maybe once a month, if that. And if you don't ride the golf carts around a couple months, if you don't ride them around, these lithium batteries last so much longer than lead acid. So awesome company. Big thanks for them and their product. Go check them out. Link in the description below. If you need a lithium golf cart battery, 36 volt. This is the first 36 volt I've ever done. But other than that, guys, little tiny video introducing Matt. Check out his channel as well. And we just wanted to get the thing running and moving, and we did. So mission accomplished on this video, and stay tuned for the further future videos on this golf cart. It's going to be amazing. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this guy. But as usual, guys, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and deuces.